This infamous wave is about to get a primetime close-up.
Well, some of the craziest waves happen here.
The world's best surfers will soon be competing here for Olympic gold. But locals in Tahiti are bracing for the coming human tsunami.
They're gonna destroy the wave and they're gonna destroy the reef.
Welcome to Technality. Today we're exploring the controversy at Teahupo'o and the future of surfing. From cleaning up the River Seine to state-of-the-art sports facilities to AI security cameras, the Paris 2024 Olympic Games will be the most high-tech in history. Organizers are planning to dazzle the world at multiple globally recognizable landmarks. One of them is more than 15,000 kilometers away from the French capital, on a small island in French Polynesia. Known by many names including the Wall of Skulls, the iconic and sometimes deadly reef break just off the coast of Teahupo'o, Tahiti, is the stuff of surfing legend.
The reef being so close, all of it's a completely different vibe. It's like, well, some of the craziest waves happen here.
Waves here can reach up to 15 meters. And for 4 days this summer, it'll be the venue for Olympic surfing events, which means the small village of Teahupo'o is undergoing a transformation that locals fear could change it forever. The biggest concern is on the water and the delicate ecosystem beneath the waves. Despite protests, a petition, and desperate pleas from locals, Olympic organizers replace a temporary wooden judging tower with a much bigger aluminium one. In December 2023, a barge used by workers assembling the tower damaged coral at the site. Original plans called for a permanent 3-story structure with 72 rods being drilled right into the delicate coral reef below and then filled with concrete. It's been modified slightly in response to the outcry, but not enough according to many, including pro surfer and Teahupo'o resident Mati Drole.
The risks are simple and nasty. Destruction of the reef and a very bad impact on the marine ecosystem that could stress the whole marine life and spread what is called the ciguatera. Ciguatera is a disease that poisons all the fish. Teahupo'o is a town of fishermen who eat their own fish and lives off selling them. And last but not least, it could modify or change our wave, and in the worst case scenario, make it disappear in a few years.
Angry opposition to the new tower hasn't stopped. You can find out more at #SaveTeahupo'o. There is a potential tech solution to this Olympic problem, and it's hardly a new one. One of the first wave pools big enough for surfing was Arizona's historic Big Surf water park that opened in the 1960s. The technology has vastly improved since then, with dozens of wave pool surfing facilities all over the world. On the one hand, the waves they create are predictable and consistent, perfect for creating an even playing field for competition. On the other hand, many surfers feel like it takes the soul out of surfing.
I feel personally that it gets a little boring because you've got so much repetition.
Another obvious knock against wave pools at the Olympics is the colossal costs of construction, especially when compared to the vastly cheaper version provided by Mother Nature. Either way, organizers at Paris 2024 know that the world will be watching what happens at Teahupo'o. How the surfing events pan out and what negative effects are left behind may dictate the future of surfing at the highest level. What do you think? If the technology to make killer waves already exists, and the Olympics are already known for extravagantly expensive infrastructure projects, is the controversy in Tahiti avoidable? Or would wave pools crush the free-spirited nature of surfing? Let us know what you think, and keep watching Technality for all things future, tech, and humanity.